Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.